You alright? You had a good day?
I've installed hundreds of these over the last few years, and I've often wondered, why is it this shape and what's inside it? So, without further ado, let's crack one open. Hammer, gloves.
So we got these from a customer. I think you can tell by the condition of them why they were swapped out. They've really discoloured these ones, so we thought we'd take the opportunity to let you guys have a look what's actually inside one of these.
Are we ready?
Oh, okay.
Let's take it indoors for further inspection.
So we're back indoors. It's the 22nd of November. Down south here in Sussex, we had a little flurry of snow yesterday, so we've come indoors because it is chuffing cold. So, Spike, you managed to smash one up. Is this the smashed up one or the other spare one?
No, this is the one that we just gave that tiny little tap to outside, just to get the top off.
So,
and there we go.
This is what is inside these. Okay, so
it looks like we've got some sort of antenna array, that's for sure. So now I'm going to unscrew these bits.
We've never been fortunate enough to be able to smash open one of these
because they don't go wrong very often.
No, and it was also part of
oh yeah, this one wasn't faulted.
It was so discoloured, and we got called into this job, and the client said, look, I can't be putting up with that, can you just replace all with new? So we said we were doing a video, could we have this? And he was like, yeah, go for it. So what do you reckon these are? These are
I think this is some sort of antenna. I think once we've got this last screw out here.
It actually smashed apart really easy as well, didn't it? It didn't crack or anything, did it?
Oh, here we go. And there we go.
Oh, okay. So
not too much to it at all, really.
No.
A lot less than I was expecting. I was expecting to see double boards, but obviously you've got processors and antenna controllers and network controllers and all sorts of bits and pieces in there, but there isn't that much to them, apparently. No. Okay. It's just a base plate with a very, very nice looking antenna array on it. Even
on the inside of these, say it again, we're not sponsored by Ubiquity at all. The styling of these have always been great anyway. You could get skins for them at one point. I don't know whether they still do those, but even on the inside, the styling's absolutely great, isn't it? It's
very clever,
very clean.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's find the next thing to break open.
So
thank you for watching.
We'll speak again soon, guys. Thank you. There you go.